So without further wasting any time, let's get started. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is my first video and you must have read through the title that it's going to be about my favorite nude lipsticks. And so to be honest, since it's my first video, I'm a bit scared, a little anxious, but at the same time I'm truly confident that okay, I'm gonna make it or I'm gonna shoot it very well. So like I was not aware that whether I need to write any kind of a script or something, so it's all what I'm going to say here is going to be very much spontaneous. बाकी editing में इधर उधर करके I'll just manage somehow. I feel like being a college student, nude lipsticks is something that I own. Like I always apply nude lipstick. 95% I apply nude lipsticks. Dark shade I don't even have. Like I just have one or two, and maybe even if I want some time to mix it, I just ask it from my mama. So I'm not having any kind of a dark lipstick, to be honest. But nude lipsticks is something that I love, and lipstick is something I feel lipstick and blush is something that adds a lot to your face in a makeup. I have bunch of lipsticks right here with me, so I'll be reviewing approximately 6 lipsticks today. All right, so starting off with this lipstick, the one that I'm wearing right now, you can see how pretty this shade is. Okay, so this is from this brand called Gush. It's Gush Beauty. I think inverted aa raha hoga in the camera, and I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, to be honest, but this is a very pretty shade. See how pretty this shade is. इसकी wand बहुत 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 अच्छी है, बहुत smooth है. Yeah, the shade name is Big Picture and it's a very beautiful shade, to be honest. It's kind of a peachy pinky shade, as you can see from here, and I really like, what I really like about it is its texture, its formula. It's so creamy, at the same time it's matte and very lightweight on the lips. Like I don't like lipsticks which are too heavy or feels very patchy over here, so I don't like that, but this one is so good. And talking about it's smudge proof. It's matte, and the brand called Fay Beauty. It's their Fay Lip Whip. So this brand has recently come on Shark Tank as well in season 4. But I've been using this past 7-8 months, and I love this shade. You can see this shade. This is so pretty. See how beautiful this shade is. And this particular brand, I heard their pitch on Shark Tank. It says free and equal beauty. Fay means free and equal beauty. It's perfectly suited for all Indian skin tones. Like they have shades, be it for dark skin tone, fair, medium, every skin tone. So if you belong to the like fair skin tone category, medium skin tone category, this is going to suit you so well. This is like a peachy pinky brown kind of a shade, and I love this so much. Like its texture, its feel, it's so premium, so good. It feels like it's like you're gliding some paint or pigment. That's how premium it feels. Talking about its price, it retails for 650 rupees. I'll just attach the links in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And it's matte, transfer proof as well, but let it settle down first. Like if it won't settle down like 5-10 minutes एकदम से लगाते, you'll do that patch test, तो वो transfer हो जाएगी. But like as I did, it's totally matte and smudge proof, transfer proof, or kabhi like it doesn't stay for too long, but it stays like 7-8 hours, 6-7 hours, and I think it's a very good stay. And if the lipstick is such good, I don't mind applying it again. Like this is my favorite lip shade and I love this that much. Talking about its shade name, it's Safe Word. Talking about this lip shade, okay, so this is a bit on the expensive side, like not a bit but a very expensive side. But this is for someone who is like, I want a good lip shade or like branded acha brand, plus at the same time it is not made in India brand, but it's a very good brand and I have been using this past 2 years. So this is by Huda Beauty. It's their Huda Beauty Liquid Matte, and it is in the shade called Icon. So I'll just show it to you. See how beautiful this shade is. This is my favorite shade, and to be honest it stays for 5-6 hours, but मेरे पे कोई लिपस्टिक स्टे नहीं करती. लाइक आई एम अ पर्सन, मैं कुछ भी खाती हूँ, इवन मैं पानी भी पीती हूँ, माई लिपस्टिक goes off. So for me it doesn't stay too long. Like my sisters use it as well, and for them it stays for like good 6 to 7 hours. So it's a very good lip shade. If you are thinking to invest more money, like more money, then you can go for it. So it retails for 2100 rupees. I know it's a bit expensive, but it's worth every penny. Its texture is really good. It has like velvet mousse kind of a texture. It feels so premium on the lips. Look how peachy pinky kind of a shade it is. It's more on the pink side. So it's very beautiful for fair skin tones, medium skin tones, dark skin tones also. I feel it's gonna complement them as well a lot. So you can go for this one. Talking about this fourth lip shade, so this is this one. This is by Maybelline Sensation. This is not this one. This is Maybelline Sensational New York, and this is my second tube. Like मेरी ये कैब में रह गई थी, and this was my favorite lipstick. Past 2 years I've been using this one. So I recently ordered this in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. बहुत ही अच्छी and बहुत ही जिसे कहते हैं ना affordable, और at the same time बहुत एक you know for the college going girls, and also जो इनको brownish kind of matte चाहिए, it's for them. And I love this. I'll just swatch it beside the, see how pretty it is. आपको हुडा ब्यूटी और बेस्ट वेब के टेक्सचर का खुद ही डिफरेंस पता चल जाएगा. इट्स दैट डिफरेंट. सी इसको ग्लाइड करना पड़ रहा है, और हुडा ब्यूटी एक स्वाइप में ऐसे ग्लाइड हो गया, और उसकी शाइन, उसका ग्लो, तो दैट इज देयर. लाइक देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. ऑब्वियसली प्राइस डिफरेंस इज देयर यार. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 430 रुपीज. हुडा ब्यूटी रिटेल्स फॉर 2100 रुपीज. बट आई विल नेवर डिस्करेज दिस लिपस्टिक. इसका स्टे, इसका क्वालिटी, इसका कलर, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन पॉइंट. सो एज आई सेड, ये इट रिटेल्स फॉर 430, बट मोस्टली इस पे 10-15-20% ऑफ आता रहता है नायका पे. सो यू कैन जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट एंड बाय एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. ये इसकी Maybelline न्यू यॉर्क सेंसेशनल लिक्विड मैट रेंज में से है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड. Pink peach kind of a shade. It's on the pinky side, it's on the peachy side, a lightish side. So if you are someone who is on very fair side or medium side, just go for this one. This is very pretty shade. It's gonna complement you a lot. Whenever I wear this shade, I have got loads of compliments. So this is something you can invest in. Yeah, it's very budget friendly, very affordable. Okay, so the next lipstick that I'm going to be talking about, I tried this brand in a Honoke Fest. Like over there was this spin board, and I got buy one get one, and they told me it's one of their good, like, you know, very affordable lipstick. So I got these two lipsticks from there. These two shades. It's on the darker side. I'm not gonna show this in this new lipsticks haul. We'll show this some another time. But talking about this particular shade, this is the peachy shade, like peach kind of a shade, and this is from a brand called Shreon Cosmetics. It's a very new kind of a brand, but I really liked how affordable the lip shade was. It retailed for like just 200, and in 200 I got two lip shades because I got buy one get one. So talking about this, मैंने इसको पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया. Like this lip shade is totally over, almost over. But इसकी wand is very nice, and look at the shade. See how pretty the shade is. मेरे को ये shade बहुत पसंद है. It has that velvet mousse texture, और इसका प्राइस इसकी क्वालिटी को बिल्कुल जस्टिस नहीं करता. लाइक प्राइस इसका बहुत कम है, बहुत कम, एंड क्वालिटी इज टॉप नॉच. लाइक मैं इसको रेगुलर बेसिस पे लगाती थी. इन विंटर्स इट फील्स अ लिटिल ड्राई ऑन द लिप्स, but if you want this, then just layer it up with a lip balm beneath it. But in summers, I think it's a best lip shade, very affordable, and see how pretty the shade is. It stays for a very long time, to be honest. मेरे जैसे इंसान के ऊपर अगर ये 5-6 hours चल सकता है ना, काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्सचर. यू मस्ट हैव सीन हाउ इट ग्लाइडेड सो इट हैज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल टेक्स्चर, बहुत ही प्यारी लिपस्टिक, बहुत अफोर्डेबल लिपस्टिक. सो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम लिपस्टिक कि भाई एक तो लिपस्टिक खरीदनी है, मैं ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ, लेकिन लिपस्टिक की बात करने वाली हूँ. दैट इज़ फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड, माई फेवरेट ब्रांड, के ब्यूटी. आई लव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड. चाहे वो काजल हो, चाहे वो लिप शेड्स हो, चाहे वो ब्लशर हो, कुछ भी हो, बहुत अच्छा ब्रांड है फ्रॉम आर सेलिब्रिटी दैट इज कैटरीना. Talking about K Beauty, it is from their matte drama long stay range. It retails for 999, that is 1000. Talking about this particular lip shade, ये उन लोगों के लिए है who don't like matte. Like इसका नाम है matte drama long stay, but for me it don't stay. To be honest, it's a good lipstick. It has a very satin matte kind of a finish, but it doesn't stays. लाइक मेरे साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं, और मेरी ये टूट भी गई. मेरे को वैसे ही ना, जो ये मेरे को लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स पसंद है, मेरे को ये ऐसे ये वाली लिपस्टिक्स नहीं पसंद, और ये टूट के इसकी बहुत बुरी हालत हो गई है. सो आई स्टिल शो यू दी स्वॉच एंड द शेड. आई शो यू हियर. सी, it's on the pink coral kind of a side, and I think it's gonna complement the fair, medium and all dusky skin tones as well. It's a very pretty shade. See how beautiful it is. बहुत ही प्यारा शेड है, बट मैट नहीं है. तो जिन लोगों को मैट लिपस्टिक नहीं पसंद, ड्राइंग लिपस्टिक नहीं पसंद, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड, बट आपको बार बार रीडू करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू डोंट माइंड डूइंग दैट, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. इट रिटेल्स फॉर 999 एंड बहुत ही सॉफ्ट काइंड ऑफ अ फिनिश है. So you can try. Okay, so I have not swatched Fay Beauty on my hands. I'll be swatching that for you right here, so that आपको एक ही साथ 5 के 5 shades भी मिल जाएं. What a pretty shade. Oh भाई, see, this is on my lips right now, and this is on my hand. इतना प्रीमियम, इतनी प्यारी पैकेजिंग भाई, इतनी ट्यूब वाली क्यूट पैकेजिंग. टू सम अप ऑल द लिप शेड्स, अगर आपको पिंक साइड पे लिप शेड्स चाहिए, देन यू कैन गो फॉर फे ब्यूटी. दिस वन इज फे ब्यूटी. ठीक है, पिंक भी है पर ये ब्राउन भी है. सी, फेयर पे ये पिंक दिखेगा, मीडियम पे ये थोड़ा ब्राउनिश शेड पे चला जाएगा, बट सी दिस इज हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस शेड इज. और अगर आपको पिंक साइड पे चाहिए, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस गाश ब्यूटी का शेड. ये भी थोड़ा पिंकिश साइड पे है, पिंकिश न्यूड है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट अगेन पिंक, और आपको इतना मैट नहीं चाहिए, आपको सैटिन काइंड ऑफ अ फिनिश चाहिए, गो फॉर दिस के ब्यूटी वन. वेरी प्रिटी शेड, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड, एंड ये पिंक है, पूरा ही ये मॉविश साइड पे है. तो ये गाश ब्यूटी एंड फे, डोंट जस्ट थिंक ट्वाइस, ऑर्डर इट राइट अवे. ये बहुत प्रिटी शेड्स हैं और मेरे फेवरेट हैं भाई. मतलब मैं इनके बिना सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकती. इट्स लाइक हर दूसरे दिन आई एम अप्लाइंग आइदर दिस और दिस, आइदर दिस और दिस. बहुत ही सस्ती चाहिए ना, तो श्रेयॉन कॉस्मेटिक्स को ले लो. इसको तो बिना किसी डाउट के ले लो भाई, इतना प्यारा शेड है. विंटर्स में थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग है, बट बहुत अच्छा है. ग्लॉस के साथ लेकर भाई 250-200 रुपये में क्या ही आता है, कुछ नहीं आता. लिपस्टिक आ रही है पूरी, और इतने प्यारे टेक्सचर के साथ भाई. ये देखो, मैट है. Okay, so I hope I must have helped you out at least somewhere to choose a right lip shade for you. Like बहुत ही अच्छे से मैंने comparison भी बता दिया है. It was my first try, first video, so पता नहीं कैसा गया, but I फील लाइक, आई होप कि कुछ तो हेल्प हुई होगी, एंड कुछ आपको लिपस्टिक शेड चूज करने में कोई हेल्प मिली होगी. आप कुछ अब ऑर्डर कर सकते हो, आपको एक गाइडेंस मिल गई होगी. अगेन, वुड बी ग्लैड इफ यू कुड जस्ट हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन बिलो एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो. इट वुड एक्ट एज अ मोटिवेशन फॉर मी. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉमेंट समथिंग आउट, like if how much you liked it and what you liked in this video, what's your favorite lip shade, and that you gonna try and order right away. And I'll be mentioning all the links in the description below, so must check that out. And please hit the like button, share with your friends, and share with your girlfriends, like, so that they can also choose the right lip shade. And yeah, I hope you liked it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.